Hi, myself Aishwarya from the Department of Social Work at Dr. MGR Educational and Research Institute. I'm doing my thesis on the topic of eating habits and health practices among people. In this research, I used simple random samplings and a descriptive methodology. I chose the topic because I knew I could elaborate and explain it with throughout the activities as I am familiar with the every side of information, facts and ideas. I also chose the topic because I knew I could share my topic by putting down and laying down the sufficient knowledge to share with others. Also, I choose this topic to communicate with others since I know not all of them are familiar with this. I know my topic was worth it because it has knowledge, facts and details that are good for everyone. The conclusion of this study, most of the students was doing the routine was unhealthy. Thank you.